I have a previous video talking about how I installed this whole house water filter, but today I'm doing this video because I am a little concerned because I know the city is doing some construction work on the street, replacing pipe and stuff. I noticed since they start doing that, they have this green flakes that's been coming in and it's staying out of the house, but I don't know, are they affecting the water quality? Maybe I should get my water tested. But if anybody out there know, is the water still safe to cook food with or not? Please let me know. I would really appreciate it. This is my main concern. They're not getting through the filter, but uh, I believe they still getting diluted into the water, so please let me know. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.